Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. So guys, I'm at this waterfall. This is one of the best waterfall here in Timor guys. And yeah, I'm here already and I already went down to the bottom of the waterfall. That's why I'm tired now. But I'm coming back up here because I forgot to film a vlog for you guys. For me, this is one of the best waterfall here in Timor guys because it is very long, a lot, and yeah, the nature around is just very beautiful guys. So yeah, I'm at the very top at the river here. As you can see, there's people and we are going down. Keep going down there. Wow, it's kind of tiring now guys. So make sure you like this video guys because I did this for you. Okay, we are going down. Nice that they have these steps here now. I came to this place around 13 years ago. Wow, it's old. Yeah, around 13 years ago guys. But now it's much better. We're almost there. Okay, so this is the first level guys. As you can see, there's also another one on their side guys. We're gonna keep walking. I'm gonna keep put this video so you guys know how long it is. Wait, this is it. First step guys, first level, and you see it's keep going down and there's also another one right there. So we're gonna go from this path here guys to this level. So let's go. And by the way, it's Saturday guys. That's why if you see there are a lot of kids today because they just got to enjoy the nature in their village. Okay, so now we are again on the next waterfall which is on the same area guys. This is it. And we're gonna walk from this path to go down guys. And I came here with my cousins and they are already down there. You see these kids just coming back from the very bottom guys because they swim down there before. They mostly know each other guys because they are all from this village guys. This is in Soe guys. So if you don't know, Soe is in Timor Tengah Selatan. I don't know what you translate in English. It is like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait till they coming up here all and I can go to my cousins down there. Okay, so now I'm down again guys, like quite far from the last one that I show you. And this is another one right here. And keep going down guys. Wait. So it's keep going down and down till very bottom down there guys, still far. And my cousins, they were there before guys. Okay, I'm gonna go down just to show you. It's kinda tiring now, but we gotta keep going for you guys. Oops. Whoa. Okay, my cousins were here before. Ta-da! It's actually dirty before, but they clean up this area, guys, so they can swim here. But now they're going up because it is not too deep down here, guys. You see. Okay, so that is, guys, Oeahala Waterfall here in Timor. For me, the best waterfall here in Timor, guys. And if you have a chance to visit Timor, like Kupang, you can come to this place. It's only 3.5 hours from Kupang, guys. And beside this waterfall, you can also visit Mount Mutis area, which is on the last vlog, guys. If you didn't watch the vlog before, click link in the description of this video, guys. Now we are going up, guys. Now they move to swim here, guys. Okay, guys, so that is Oeahala Waterfall here in Timor, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you like this video, guys, because I work a lot. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.